guys. Wait. It started. Sorry. Hey guys. I'm with my cousin. Say hi. Hi. Hold on. Sorry for the hold up on videos. I've been really busy. So we're trying to get a new dog, and I've sort of had a cold. And yeah, I've just been really busy. I haven't been able to produce these things. So I'm making a simple video for y'all. It's a little clubhouse. So yeah. So where do you want to start? How about we start with the parking lot?
Oh gosh, sorry. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, we're doing I'm gonna tell you
Now I started the video.
my cousin's clubhouse.
Okay, so let's both zoom up. So the mistake doesn't happen. Zoom up, zoom up, zoom up. Just come up.
None.
We have our scooters, 3 scooters, with 3 bicycles with our little clubhouse, and then we have a wagon, which is a town though, because it's really daddy inside. Papa. Okay, so now you can go through with yours. And there's Maggie. Maggie. Hi. Zup, awesome. That's a little short of work. Okay, sorry. She's having a little bit of a problem with something. Here's the table. The table. Here, let me just sit down here. Even though this is a table, I'm showing you the chair. This is the chair. And what? This is the table. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I see Skibby. Anyways, and then here's the little table.
And yeah, never know the little thing that the dog's pulling
Yeah, blah blah blah. We're doing bloopers right now. That's a blooper. No blooper.
You didn't see me, did you?
No. This is the table. And a little basket
Yeah, there's
stuff.
a phone over there.
Phone.
Yeah, it's my kitty cat phone.
Meow, you doing? I'm gonna have to cut the video for this.